matulog. Ang ina! More times I find it hard to sleep at night. We are living through such troubled times. Mahina ba titili? Every time to reach, ang hina kaya? For someone to hold for one moment they become my own. And how can I pretend that I don't know what's going on when every second, every minute I know the soul is gone. And ang hina! Tawagin mo yung nag-aanak.
Eh?
Dali na, nakanta ako eh. Ang hina kaya. And into hopelessness of giving up, suffering, and we all stand together this one time, that no one will get left behind. Stand up for life. Stand up and hear me sing. Stand up for life. Pag ikaw kumanta, bahala ka, ang pangit. I'm inspired and hopeful each and every day. That's how I know good things are gonna change. So how can I pretend that I don't know what's going on when every second, every minute I know the soul is gone, and I believe I'm too hopeless.
Ano yan?
Ang yawa ko. May hamatay ka. And we all stand. Ang hina kasi nung ano eh.
Ano sabihin mo?
That no one will get left behind. Stand up for life. Stand up for love. And it all starts right here. And it starts right now. One person stand up there, and the rest will follow. For all that we've done, for all in love, I'm gonna sing this song, and I believe that in my life I will see. I'm into hopelessness, of giving up, of suffering, and we all stand.
Labas.
Then no one will get left behind. Stand up for life. Stand up and see.
Pero.
Asa na yung lalaki? Huwag ka mo lang paminta. Hindi mo pinatay!